Throw coffee in the pot, and you will see the rot that will come out so strong. It is to begin today's tip in a container. First, I will add 50 milliliters of coffee. It may be the cold coffee that was left from your breakfast. I will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. Then we will mix until diluted. All the baking soda, remembering that it is one of the main items for cleaning tips, because it contains a high efficiency in removing fat and also stains. I will also add hydrogen peroxide. The ideal amount for the mixture are only 3 cups. Hydrogen peroxide strengthens in the removal of stains. You can use the one you have at home. Let's mix again. Already. Enjoy and tell me if you've done some cleaning tips using coffee and hydrogen peroxide. Finally, we will add 100 milliliters of water at room temperature. Mix one last time and our tip will be ready. Surely you can notice that this tip is different from conventional products sold on the market. Whenever you have stains or dirt difficult to get out, use this tip. This amount is sufficient for its use for more than once. I indicate that always have this tip prepared for when necessary. To facilitate the application, I will put this product inside a spray bottle, as well as controlling the amount during use, in order not to waste. I will use a funnel and put all the liquid. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Marvel Scott. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I already use this tip, and you will be surprised with the result. Using only ingredient that you have in your home. After that, we only need to use. This tip also serves for use in the bathroom sink. Any stain comes out easily just rubbing with a sponge. For use in the toilet only with the brush. Without much effort, I can remove all stains. This mixture also perfectly suits the floor of your bathroom, removing all stains and dirt, even fat from the body that we remove during bathing. This mixture is simply complete. I hope this tip is useful to you. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.